Struggling with the upload to iCloud is paused, error? Don't worry, in this video, we'll show you how to fix it and get your iPhone uploading again. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why does the uploading to iCloud paused error happen? Causes: weak Wi-Fi, full iCloud storage, outdated iOS, wrong iCloud settings, app conflicts, iCloud server issues. Part 2. How to fix the uploading to iCloud paused message. Fix 1. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, background processes can interfere with iCloud uploads. A simple restart may help resolve the issue. Fix 2. Check your Wi-Fi connection. As mentioned earlier, a stable Wi-Fi connection is essential for uploading files to iCloud, as it does not support uploading over cellular data. Fix 3. Charge your iPhone for a while. Low battery can pause iCloud uploads. Plug in your iPhone and charge it above 80% to resume syncing automatically. Fix 4. Check your iCloud storage space. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap your name at the top. On the Apple ID page, tap iCloud. Scroll down and select Upgrade to iCloud Plus. Choose a plan and tap Upgrade to iCloud Plus. Fix 5. Update your iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Fix 6. Sign out of iCloud and sign in again. Go to Settings, your iCloud account. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password and confirm. Fix 7. Re-enable the messages sync in iCloud. Go to Settings, your iCloud account, iCloud. Scroll to Apps using iCloud. Toggle off messages. Wait, then toggle it back on. Fix 8. Ultimate way to solve uploading to iCloud paused error. If basic checks don't fix the problem, it may be caused by a software glitch. In this case, you can try a third-party tool like iOS System Recovery. This tool is designed to fix more than 200 system issues on iPhone. How to resume iCloud sync with iOS System Recovery. Step 1. Download and install the program on your computer. Launch it and choose iOS System Recovery. Step 3. Choose your preferred mode. Standard mode preserves your files, while advanced mode deletes all data. Finish your choice by clicking Confirm. Step 4. Choose your iPhone model and click on Repair to download the firmware for your iPhone. After the download, the program will successfully fix the iCloud photos syncing paused issue on your iPhone. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cord and click Start to commence the fix.